Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today is going to be a mix-up vlog and what I wore of our recent trip to party all day and party all night. Like the 20-year-olds we aren't anymore. Now, a couple of things about this vlog. There is a complete social media blackout on the event we went to, so there won't be any footage of the actual parties themselves, but there will be footage of us going out and about during the day, doing a bit here, doing a bit there, having some food, and I'll talk you through the outfits of the day and everything. And the second thing is, we didn't make it through the full 4 days of partying. We actually came home a day early due to cat-related things. Everything is fine, everyone is okay, but we had to come home a day early. So I am wearing my pyjamas that I would have worn for the last day pyjama party. I was going to have my hair in little piggies like this. My Barber International slippers. They're kind of a sling back and they have an open toe, which meant that they would be a little bit more comfortable for me to wear for an all evening party without my feet overheating, because they are fluffy, as a lot of slippers are. And my handbag of the evening for the pyjama party was going to be my Nano baguette in the fisheye multicoloured. So you might be wondering about the pyjamas I'm wearing, because they are not my colourway. They are mostly blue with a little bit of green and a little bit of yellow on them, but mostly blue, and I don't usually wear blue. I have these pyjamas because they have lemurs all over them, and if you are someone who has been with this channel for a few years, you will know in the old house I had lemur wallpaper. So these pyjamas got picked up because they've got lemurs on them, and they really make me laugh. They really tickle me. But crucially, they are cropped arms and legs, which means I can wear these even with my stumpy little legs and don't have to worry about tripping over them or anything. And because I'm always hot, then that is great. And on top of that, they've got pockets. So best PJs. The only problem with these ones is they need a lot of ironing, so I don't wear them as frequently. But for a party, for a pyjama party, they would have been perfect. So I'm wearing them now so I can show you what I would have worn on that last day. So let's get into the vlog, and you can check out what we wore, the both of us, me and the lion, for all of the other events. First leg of the journey is done. We have made it to Bristol. We are in the first room. We're actually staying in this hotel for one night, and then we are moving on. Tonight we are going to my sister's to meet up with the family. Tomorrow we're going to hang out with the family a little bit more, and then we're going to head off. So this is our room. King size bed. We've got, oh, little boo-boos twisted around. The Louis set, travel set of dreams, and a bamboo, because we had to stop and recharge at IKEA in Reading. That's the other part of the room. And we've got this little seat in the window. And if you look out the window, how lovely is that? That's not a bad view. Big mirror, high mirror. Doesn't this scarf look great with this coat? And then this is the bathroom or shower room. So here we go. Hi. Magnifying mirror, excellent. And a lovely big shower cubicle there. And we've got about almost an hour. Such a lovely view. Oh, where is it? There it is. And wait for the line to come back after sorting the car out, and then we're going to get an Uber over to my sister's to see the fan. Very excited about seeing them. I haven't seen them since my brother's wedding in November 2023. So we've decided to pop out for a quick drink before jumping in a cab, and look at that. Bristol is so pretty. We've got the little houses up here, all painted different colours. We're in the west, so we get a beautiful sunset. And just look at...
Go for a drink, yeah.
Is that where we're going for a drink? Lovely. and yeah, the light reflected on the water.
Let's
beautiful. Oh, well, this is very much needed. Where's your drink? Where's your drink? Where's your drink?
You're not funny.
The lion ordered something complicated, and we are here. Hello. You probably can't see it too well.
Where the quack is my drink.
where the quack is your drink. Are you self-editing there? Are you happy?
It's better.
What did you get?
Old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned?
Like me.
Oh, you're lovely, aren't you? Cheers, beautiful.
Cheers.
Here's to a 4-day, 5-day party that neither of us are going to recover quickly from. Yummy gin and tonic. Nice place. And then it was over to my sister's to meet up with the rest of the family and have an Indian takeaway, which was absolutely delicious. And it was fantastic to catch up with everyone. I've still not persuaded my stepmum to part with her original Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Multicolours Speedy 30, so I settled for taking this little photo instead. And then it was back to the hotel for a cheeky glass of wine before bed. Wow, what a long day. But a fun one. Woke up quite late the next day. Clearly we were exhausted. We went off to find somewhere for a very, very tasty breakfast before heading off to Dad's to hang out for a little bit before moving on to the next stage of the journey. The next hotel we were staying at didn't have any on-site parking, so we unloaded the car, we went off and found a car park, and then on the walk back to the hotel we decided to stop in and have some very, very tasty tapas. It's not a bad view either, really, is it? I don't know about you guys, but tapas is a food I can really get behind. Lots of little nibbly bits, just eating until you don't know when to stop. Love it. Hi. We've made it to our final destination, the hotel that we'll be staying at for all of the partying, apart from one event, which is held outside of the hotel, but where we're going to be staying for the next 4 nights. This is our bathroom. Nice big mirrors. Oh, look, we've actually got a cupboard in here. I don't think I've ever had a cupboard in a hotel bathroom before. And Antipodes products. Another nice big shower. And a bath. And lovely. So we've got, it's a twin queen or something, isn't it? This is our room, so it's nice size, plenty of space to chuck all our stuff out. And we've got this big floor to ceiling window, which looks out on an office block, which you can't see because it's dark. Over there where the lion is some hanging space and shelf space. And the big mirror, which is not going to be easy doing outfit of the day in this because there's a wall behind. But my outfit of the day is this grey jumper that I've had from Mint Velvet for millions of years. It's got pink stars on the side, V-neck, nice. I like the shape of it. I'm wearing my Fendi earrings. And I thought I would give the old wide leg palazzos a run out because they've fallen out of favour for the carrot jeans and my Gucci sneakers. I need to get this lot unpacked. See you in a bit. Okay, 2 things. I am like Bambi on ice in these heels. I'm tottering around, terrified I'm going to fall over. And if you saw my recent shopping vlog where I was trying to get hold of some pink heels, this is the reason why. Secondly, I love this dress. I am so happy I managed to get my hands on this dress. The sparkle is insane and oh my god, it looks so good with my pink hair. Makeup wise, I wore my go-to Bobbi Brown hot pink lip pencil, Victoria Beckham olive eyeliner, eyeliner and Charlotte Tilbury glittery pop shot. The earrings were a gift from my bestie. The cocktail ring is from Swarovski and I've had both for donkey's years. Now let's talk about handbag of the evening. I had to use this Elizabeth Scarlett pouch because the pink and the green just matched everything perfectly. It is quite a floppy little pouch on its own though, so I stole the Handbag Angels organiser I've got in my Gucci Marmont camera bag, and that gave it some structure and made it easy for me to carry all my little bits and pieces for the evening. That worked out perfectly, and I do love it when a plan comes together. The Lion looked magnificent in his new Mark Darcy suit with no tie. That was a sartorial decision that was made, and I think he looks absolutely fabulous. He was less than impressed with me trying to drag him into doing some mod shots. As soon as I get my hands on some new pink shoes that I can actually walk in, you can expect to see this combination worn on repeat. I absolutely love it. An absolute necessity for any party is my Dale's Addiction handbag hook. Welcome to the morning after, the cocktail dinner, the night before, and comfort is key. I'm wearing my new Ganni sweatshirt, my M&S, I don't know what to call these, stripy jogger bottom things, wide legs, my Gucci trainers, and then we headed out to find some food, get some much needed fresh air, and maybe do a little bit of shopping. The architecture in Bath is absolutely stunning. Hi Gary. Bye other Gary. Topped off my outfit of the day with my Vivienne Westwood scarf, mango coat and fuchsia mini baguette. I also picked up this clear plastic umbrella because we were forecast snow. Just having a little mini starter snack of hummus and stuff. I'm having the bread, which means the Lion has to have the celery. How are you enjoying the celery?
It's lovely.
Oh no, don't, because you were just pulling faces. You were just pulling faces about how horrible it is because you don't like celery. It's good, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yummy. And before we knew it, it was time to get dressed up, ready for the ball. I didn't buy a lot of new stuff for these events. I wanted to use things that I already had in my wardrobe. The earrings are Bieber, and I've had them for, I think, almost 20 years. The dress is from Monsoon. I really love the sort of cape element to it. I find it very, very flattering. I'm pretty sure I bought the dress for the last time we came to this ball in 2020. Handbag of the night comes from Aspinall of London. It's got this crossbody chain, and I can tuck that in nicely so I can clutch it. And I have got my Fendi collar breeze. The Lion is wearing his new Mark Darcy suit again, but this time with the M&S velvet dinner jacket, which is the outfit he wore for our Christmas Eve lunch. We were going for dinner with friends first, and so he kept his dicky bow in his pocket and popped that on just before we hit the ball. Okay, that was a late one and we are feeling tired AF. The ball wrapped up about 2:30 a.m. and we made it to bed for about 3 a.m. These are times we don't usually get to see. It is about 12:30 in the afternoon that I'm taking this outfit of the day shop. I'm wearing my wide leg jeans, Gucci sneakers, fuchsia pink mini baguette and my lovely new cardigan that I'm completely obsessed with from Never Fully Dressed. Thankfully the forecasted snow never arrived, but it was freezing cold, so we were on the hunt for some hot food to get us started, and then we were meeting up with my sister, her boyfriend and our nephew for a coffee and a relaxing chat. We found this amazing noodle place. It was just what we wanted actually, lots of carbs and chili oil for me, super delicious, and then it was time to get some caffeine in us and just hang out with the family. While we were in town we bumped into some friends who were also at the party, and they said that going to the swimming pool, the spa, the steam room really helped to sort them out, so that's what we did. We both felt a lot better for it. We headed back out for more food fuel ahead of the next party, and it had to be comfort food, it had to be pizza. We found that Zzz's did a gluten-free pizza, which was great, so the Lion had that and I had a normal margherita. We had a little bit of salad so we weren't just consuming carbs, but we did fall foul of the dessert menu. I had the chocolate sundae and the Lion had baked cheesecake. I still don't know if that was a good idea or not. In terms of getting ready for the party, this was the big one. This was the fancy dress movie titles. I went as The Devil Wears Prada. I went for sharp tailoring with a tuxedo jacket, oversized white shirt, pleather leggings and my new M&S snakeskin boots, because if anyone's going to wear snakeskin cowboy boots, it's going to be the devil. Lots of mixed metal gold and silver costume jewellery, an upcycled Prada logo badge that I bought off Etsy, and of course my Prada crystal re-edition handbag. I topped this look off with prosthetic horns. They were fun to stick on, get level and find space on my what turns out to be quite small forehead. A splash of Prada Paradox perfume, and then I went to town with my Tom Ford eye makeup palette and layered some Chanel and Prada lipsticks. The darker, the redder, the better. The Lion went as one of his all-time favourite films, An American Werewolf in London, and he pulled it off beautifully. This Welcome to London tourist t-shirt. He's got his cowboy boots that we bought in Vegas in 2019. This brilliant denim waistcoat with the US flag across the shoulders. Grey distressed skinny jeans, long sleeve t-shirt, wig, furry mittens and wolf mask. I hope you enjoyed that vlog and what we wore, what we got up to over that very long weekend. Yes, we are old now. We are not those party people. We can't do sort of 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning and function the next day. It's just not possible. Let me know in the comments section down below which was your favourite look. I'd be very interested to know whether you're on the side of bright glam or cool sophistication and flat out fancy dress party wear. Let me know. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, party hard, dude. But not so hard as you can't function the day after like us. And bye-bye.